Hello. Where is me? Why me is not live? Okay, I'm live. I'm live. I can see me. I can see me. I can see me. This is a new life, new day. This is a new life, new day. Okay, let's try. Sorry, we had some issue. We had some again that technical issue which is happening since long time. But I hope, finger crossed, it will go. It will be right. So let's continue. I'm again live at the app. There I can see comment. Here I can see good internet. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking great. Okay. So let's start this live stream again. Really sorry for whatever interruption happened. Please, I would request all of you people to join back. Okay, that's all the thing which I can see. And let's start this. Where we left was that we were right now trying to discuss the triple candlestick pattern, which we have to finish it today. Okay. So triple candlestick pattern, how many patterns were left for us to discuss? We discussed from almost 8 to 10. We discussed just two yesterday because of lot of people were joining and I had to explain them a lot of regarding different stuff. Okay. So for now, welcome 0. Sorry, let it be. So we'll discuss the triple candlestick pattern. What are this triple candlestick pattern for the new person who doesn't know about triple candlestick pattern before? Let me just tell you. Triple candlestick pattern is a type of candlestick pattern which will require your analyze for three candles, in which these candlestick patterns are majorly used for doing analyze of the market. Will the market go up or will the market fall down? Okay, in which we can better our future prediction tricks. With this candle pattern sticks, we can analyze if the market will go up, we can take the future long trade, or if the candle pattern says that market is going to go down, we will take a short sell trade. This will help. This candlestick pattern topic will help you in analyzing the future market so that you can take a very good future trade and earn good amount of profit from it. Understand this one point very clearly. Okay, this is for market analyze, so that you will know if the market is going above or if the market is falling down, which will help you in future trading, not spot trading. This is not for spot trading. This is for everyday future trading. Like intraday trading, you can say like in one day you can enter in the market lot of time by observing these candlestick patterns and take profit from it. Okay, understood? Simple. So that you will know if the market is going above or if the market is falling down, which will help you in future trading, not spot trading. This is not for spot trading. This is for everyday future trading. Like intraday trading, you can say like in one day you can enter in the market lot of in the triple candlestick pattern. We are right now observing what we discussed regarding a bullish candlestick, sorry, morning star candle, which was our bullish candle. Then we discussed regarding the evening star candle, which was our bearish candle. Bullish candle, which means like, see, before explaining the concept, I will tell you regarding 2 to 3 such kind of words which is very like such kind of jargons which I will use in the market a lot of times. Okay, so before starting this live stream, again I'll be explaining those jargons. What is uptrend, what is downtrend, bullish candle, bearish candle, gap up opening, gap down opening. These six things I will use again and again and again in this, so that you don't get confused of what does this mean. I will explain you those concepts before. Like such kind of jargons which I will use in the market a lot of times. Okay, so before starting this live stream, again I'll be explaining those jargons. What is uptrend, what is downtrend, bullish candle, bearish candle, gap up opening, gap down opening. These six things I will use again and again and again in this, so that you don't get confused of what does this mean. I will explain you those concepts before. Like such kind of jargons which I will use in the market a lot of times. Okay, so before starting this live stream, again I'll be explaining those jargons. What is uptrend, what is downtrend, bullish candle, bearish candle, gap up opening, gap down opening. These six things by the name itself you can know, but still for your better understanding I will write it. Of what does this mean, I will explain you those concepts before. Bullish candle. Okay, so we'll be discussing regarding a bullish abandoned baby, which is a bullish candle. Bullish candle means what? In which we will take the future prediction of market going price up. Got it? Simple to understand. Let me just draw that candles, then I will explain you name. Well, before drawing that candle, let me explain you four concepts, six concept. One concept, uptrend. Market uptrend means what? Market is going above. Price from low price to high price, market is traveling. For example, from 50, market is going up to 200. Okay, this is what? This is called as uptrend in the market. It is called as uptrend. Second thing is downtrend, which will move like this. From higher price of 200, market will go down to 50. Okay, this price is moving down. This is called as what? This is called as downtrend. Okay, what do you mean by? Now second, third is bullish candle. What do you mean by? I have wrote here bullish candle over here. Okay, what do you mean by bullish candle? What is bullish candle? Bullish candle means what? Bullish candle is a candle which will now form and will make the market into an uptrend from where the price will go up. This is called as bullish candle. Okay, bearish candle. Fourth thing, bearish candle. Now second, third is bullish candle. If market is having a bearish candle, when I say bearish candle in something, what does that mean? That this candle, one candle is gonna make the market go down now. Okay, now sellers are gonna come. This is a seller candle, seller, and this is a buyer. Buyer will try to push the market up, seller will try to push the market down. Understood this point? This four concept very clear in very easy way. Uptrend from low price to high price whenever market goes, that is called as uptrend. Downtrend from high price to low price market travels, it is called as downtrend. Bullish candle means a candle which will form, and after that it will make what? An uptrend. Okay, when the buyers will enter in the market and will push the market completely up, that is called as what? Bullish candle. Bearish candle is what? A candle will form, and after that the market will start falling down from high price to low price and sellers are entering. This is called as what? Bearish candle. Understood? Very simple, very easy to understand. Now, if you have any doubt, anything, meanwhile, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay, do not forget, you have that authority that you can ask me anything in the comment section. After that thing, what else? Where is it? Yeah. Fifth thing, it is called as gap up. Gap up opening. What do you mean by gap up opening? Gap up opening is basically, if there is one candle, technically what should happen is, this is for example open, this is close, the next candle should open at the same price of this. Okay, whatever, if it's a red candle it will be like this is the open of it, open. And if it's a red candle, if it's a, this is a red candle, this is a green candle. Okay, if it's a red candle, if green candle is forming, open here, close here at the price of let's say 200, the red candle will open at 200 itself. Same goes for green candle as well. If this is a green candle, over here open close of 200, the next candle will open at the same price of the 200. This is what generally what we see. But this is not a gap up opening. What do you mean by gap opening? Gap opening is if a market candle has open, close, let's say the close is at 200 and there is a small gap of price hike in the market. For example, this candle opened with a gap over here. Can you see a gap over here? And this open price, which should be same. Technically, it should be same. Okay, but it is not. At this point, it will be 250 something. Like for example, I'm giving you 50 USDT difference. Okay, candle line closing at 200 but opening at 250. This is what 50 USDT. 50 USDT gap up opening. This is 50 USDT gap opening between the price of closing and the open. There is a small gap of the price. The price will different. The closing price will be small and the opening price will be little above. It is called as what? Gap up opening. I will show you one example of gap opening very easily. Okay, let's go to today in the morning only I saw it. See, ZAO USDT, if you go ZAO USDT, this is 50 USDT gap opening between the price of closing. Can you see this candle closed at here at the price of what? This candle closed. C of this candle is what? Let me just say 4326. Let's go to 26 432. One second, I'm very bad handwriting, very bad handwriting. One second. Can you see this candle closed? Okay, this candle closed at 4326. This is the closing of this candle, but the open of this candle is at what? Open of this candle is 26 432. One second, I'm very bad handwriting, very bad. 4426 4426. Can you see there is a gap between those two candles? Yes, there is a gap between it. It should not have. This is how without gap a candle looks. There is no gap between it. No gap, no gap, no gap, no gap. Everything going one after one after one after one after one. But suddenly there is a huge gap between this candle and that candle. Why? This is called as what? Gap up. This is called as gap up opening. Okay, gap up opening. When there is a gap between two candles, one candle and another candle creating a gap. Now, why does this gap create? Why there is a gap in the market? Why? This gap is happened because of what? This gap happens because of sudden demand increase. We saw in the Bitcoin there was a sudden very demand increase today. Why? Because of the news of what? That America took the Venezuela and it is right now capturing 600 Bitcoin plus on top of that 303 billion barrels of oil crude. Because of that news, we saw the Bitcoin price went up from 89 to 93, right? Now the same reason might have, like there might be some XYZ news which happened and made this ZAO XAU. I'm pronouncing ZAO. I don't know if it's pronounced ZAO or no, I don't know, whatever it is. So ZAO USD went from this 4326 straight to 4426. That means 100 USDT gap up was there. 100 USD sudden hike in the price was created in the market. Okay, understood? This is called as what? Gap up opening. Okay, I'm pronouncing ZAO. I don't know if it's pronounced ZAO or no, I don't know, whatever it is. So ZAO USD went from this 4326 straight. This is called as gap opening when there is a gap between two candles. Got it? Now same opposite is gap down opening. Sixth concept. Before starting the topic, I'm explaining you concept. Okay, understand this. Now sixth concept is what? Gap down is completely opposite of it. In here supply, in here demand was increasing. This happens because of demand increase. Okay, now in here it will, what is happening in gap down? Supply is increasing. Supply increases means basically a lot of people are fearing to enter for a buy side and they are doing what? They are making sure that they do maximum sell, which will drop the price suddenly. Like for example, market was going up and suddenly there are now thousands, 10,000s of seller putting the sell order. Created what? A sudden supply which made the gap in the market. It will look like how? It will look like this is the candle open close. And now next candle should open over here, right? But it will open with a gap over here. There will be a open gap which you can see in the price. Okay, BTC don't create a gaps, it just creates in the price. You can see from where you will check this. This is the, can you see? One second. Can you see open O, open H, high, L, low, C, close? This is where you have to see. Okay, I will point my arrow. This is, can you see this? O, open, H, high, L, low, and C, close. This is where you see open and close over here in the Bitcoin, because generally we don't see that kind of huge gaps in the Bitcoin. Okay, so gap down opening is what? When the price is falling down. For example, if this was, let's say, closing was at 200, was the price, USD price of closing was 200 of that candle, but the open of the next candle opened at 150. Okay, so this becomes what? A gap down opening of how much? 50 USDT gap. 50 USDT gap down opening has been happened. This is called as gap down, where increase, a sudden increase of supply. Gap up and gap down happens when suddenly changes of the market is happening. For example, if a market is dropping down, dropping down, dropping down, and there is sudden demand, there will be gap opening, and from there market will start going up. Change from down to up. Plus gap down opening. For example, market is going up, 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 up. Buyers are pushing the market up, and from this point there is a small gap down opening which we can see. It will change the direction from up and it will start falling down. Understood? Simple. After this, your all six concepts are clear. Now let's understand the triple candlestick pattern. Plus gap down opening. For example, market is going up, 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 up. Buyers are pushing the market up, and from this point there is a small gap down opening which we can see. It will change the direction from up and it will start falling down. Understood? Simple. After this, your all six concepts are clear. Now let's understand the triple candlestick pattern. Plus gap down opening. For example, market is going up, 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 up. Buyers are pushing the market up, and from this point there is a small gap down opening which we can see. It will change the direction from up and it will start. Okay, so let me just draw this candle now. I will show you how this candle looks like, everything. Your all six concepts are clear. Now let's understand the triple candlestick. Okay. See, for example, I draw a very same, similar candle. Okay. It doesn't have to mean that it is exactly the same. It might not look exactly the same. Okay. For an example, I draw it. For an example, I make sure I draw in a little like same, so that you don't get confused. Okay. In the market, it won't be in a same exact shape. There might be different shapes of it, of the candle, I'm saying. Okay, draw a very similar candle. Okay, it doesn't have to mean that it is exact, but concept will be same. There won't be changes in the concept at all. For an example, I draw it. For an example, I make sure I draw in a little like same, so that you don't get confused. Okay, in the market, it won't be in a same exact shape. There might be different shapes of it, of the candle, I'm saying. Okay, but concept will be same. There won't be changes in the concept at all. For an example, I draw it. For an example, I make sure I draw in a little like same, so that you don't get confused. Okay, in the market, it won't be in a same exact shape. There might be different shapes of it, of the candle, I'm saying. Okay, but concept will be same. There won't be changes in the concept at all. It also has open close, but it's a doji candle, so I'm not gonna write about it. Okay, open close. And this candle can be of any color. Okay, this doji candle, where is a doji candle? Green, red. So I'm gonna write it as a white candle. I will write it down as well. White candle represent
I'm not gonna write about it. Okay, open close.
as
And this candle can be of any color. Okay, this
any color.
doji candle, where is a doji candle? Green, red. So I'm gonna write it as a white candle.
Okay, so let's now understand this is how a bullish abandoned baby candle will look like. Okay, now let's understand how this candle is made, with what condition this candle is made, what are the psychology behind it, plus how to trade in this candle. Okay, first thing, as you can see, abandoned baby means what? Abandoned baby is basically this two candle has drop it. It is not connected in this candle. Connected is as in it is not connected at all with the close of this and open of this. It is completely away from both of the people, like something which we have thrown away and we don't care about it. That is this candle will look like. Okay, a red candle first. Second candle is drawn white. Why? Because white candle represents green, red or green, anything. Color does not matter of the between candle. Any color is fine. Even if it's red in the market, okay. Even if it's green in the market, that is okay. Does not matter at all. Got it? Second thing, that after this second candle or third candle should be a green color candle compulsory. First candle is what? Red color compulsory. Second candle, this is the second candle, it should be red or green, does not matter. Sometime, welcome user 1914497, welcome on the live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I would love to request you this one thing. See, there might be a situation in your life where even after the live stream you might require my help. So please join the Telegram channel over here. As you can see a Telegram channel over here, please join this Telegram channel. Click on this more option, and can you see the first channel over here? Join Telegram group fans. Join this group. Click on this and then join this group. Okay, please. It will help you to connect with me even after the live stream. So please do not forget it to join this group over here. It will look like zbit.com live with Yash. Can you see zbit.com live with Yash? Yes. Click on that word option. Click on this more option. On this more option you have to click this. Click on the more and join the first Telegram group over here first. Got it? Plus on top of that, if you are a new user, do tell me, because I will provide you one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. But the only thing is you need to tell me that you are a new user. Okay, and if you want to earn one Dogecoin, I will tell you how you can earn that thing. Dogecoin is the world's most popular coin. It is not some other random coin. It is world's most popular meme coin. Okay, to be correcting, meme coin. Okay, so please make sure that you get that one Dogecoin completely free of cost from my side. As you can see over here as well. One second. Can you see new user bonus? One Dogecoin from Yash. Can you see this new user bonus? One Dogecoin from Yash. So if you want to have that one Dogecoin from my side, please make sure that you are clicking on this live stream deposit and depositing minimum 3 USDT. Okay, 3 USDT is the minimum. If you deposit minimum 3 USDT, then you will be getting what? You will be receiving one Dogecoin from my side. Understood? Simple to understand. If you have any doubt, anything, feel free to comment on the comment section and tell me if you have like whatever needs, or you don't understand still what I'm trying to say, you don't understand anything. Please feel free to comment. I will repeat it once again. Okay. The only thing which you need to do is to gain one free one Dogecoin for new user. If you are a new user, then deposit one Dogecoin in the live stream. How to deposit? Click on the live stream device. Can you see a button over here? I am pointing out that button. Okay, this is that live stream button which you will click and then follow the procedure. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Obviously, good morning, user 194497. Welcome on the live stream. For you only, I'm telling you this, that if you are a new user, then just follow the procedure. Click on the crypto deposit. After that, it will give you a blockchain USDT. You click the USDT, it will give you the blockchain systems. Click on the blockchain, and after that, just scan and deposit 3 USDT. That's all. That's all. And get one Dogecoin completely for free of cost. Understood? USDT, you click the USDT, click on the blockchain. Let's come back to our topic. As we were discussing what that three can